love these Cosmos blues. I like the colour. Yeah.
That's nice. It's almost like a really dark blue, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, enough of the dramatic music. That was a bit of a joke, kind of that end music for my piece. But anyway, I was really happy with that piece. I really like the colours. The colours all seem to work well together. Cool new spot that as well. That's down on the south coast of England somewhere. But yeah, cool spot. Nice epic sea views. So yeah, lovely day. A little bit windy. So yeah, that was cool. Freestyled as well. So yeah, obviously based kind of roughly around other letters that I've painted loads of times. So yeah, you can kind of say freestyle, but yeah. Anyway, enough of me rambling on as I usually do. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment and tell me what you think about this video and the piece. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.